You asked for it over and over and wouldn't shut up about it, so here it is.
Hi everybody, it's Jay, and I'm proud to bring you part 1 of the AutoGroq frickin' tutorial.
Part 1. What the hell is an AutoGroq anyway?
AutoGroq makes AI agents, and AI agents are like computer programs that can run themselves. I'm kind of a lazy ass, so I really like the idea of programs that can run themselves. But programming agents takes a lot of typing, and I have Parkinson's, so I made AutoGroq to make my agents for me. The problem is that we do agent programming backwards. Standard practice is to create AI agents first by anticipating problems. But in the real world, we first discover a problem and then seek out our experts to solve it. That's how AutoGroq works too. We take the user's problem, analyze it, and then build a team of agents specifically designed for that situation. Those agents can easily be edited by the user. They can be given skills, regenerated, and even learn from conversations with other AI agents or the human user. And they can be exported to Autogen and CrewAI. These are other open-source software packages that allow our teams of agents to collaborate with one another automatically. Think of AutoGroq as a building and testing platform, and programs like Autogen as the real-world application environment where the AI agents we created get to run free and play, or build stuff, whatever we built them to do. We'll talk more about the advanced features of AutoGroq and the Autogen and CrewAI platforms later. Hopefully you now have an understanding of the exciting and groundbreaking potential of AutoGroq.
I gotta admit, I like that more than I thought I would.
AutoGroq.